Hi everybody, it's Miss Beck, and today we're going to be doing some word problems, and we're going to talk about different ways to solve problems and to show our work. Okay, so I'm going to share a screen with you, and on the screen we're going to talk about some different solutions to problems. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little number story, and while I'm reading it, I want you to listen, and then I'm going to show you a solution, and I'm going to show you how two different children solve the problem. Okay, so here's the story. There were 6 coats hanging on hooks. 2 children put on their coats. I think that there are 4 coats still hanging on hooks. Am I right? And how do you know? So if you think that I am right, that there are 4 coats hanging on hooks, give me a thumbs up. If you think that I'm wrong, that there are not 4 coats hanging on hooks, thumbs down. And if you don't know, do something right here in the middle. Okay. So I'm going to share with you the way 2 different students solved this problem. This is how they just divided or tried to prove their answers. Okay. So here's the first one. So here are the 4 coats. And she said, yes, I knew it in my brain. Okay. Then let's take a look at this other one here. Oops. Oh no, where did it go? Here's the other one. Okay, child number 2 drew all of the coats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then she said, yes, I had 6 coats and took 2 coats away. There are 4 coats left. So if we're thinking about child number 1 or child number 2, which person solved the problem in the best way? They both got the right answer, but child number 1 just said, I knew it in my brain. Down here, child number 2 gave an explanation and drew a picture. So which one did a better job, child number 1 or child number 2? Yeah, child number 2. It's always best to show the entire problem and then to show how you got your answer. So they not only showed how they got their answer using a picture, then they came down here and they wrote how they got their answer as well. So that was like super good, super duper. Okay, so Miss Beck was right, so I should have gotten a thumbs up. Okay. So we said child number 2's work helped us understand the problem. Okay. When we just said that we knew it in our head, that didn't help us solve the problem. So today I'm going to give you a problem and I'm going to hope that you're going to solve it sort of like child number 2, that you're going to draw me a nice picture and then you're going to be able to explain to your grown-up how you solved the problem. So listen carefully to the problem. I was having a party. I put 4 chairs at the table. How many chairs did I put at the table? 4. The doorbell rang and I saw 7 friends at the door. How many friends did I see at the door? 7. Do I have enough chairs for all of my friends? Yes or no, and how do you know? So before you begin, you need to answer the question. Do I have enough chairs for my friends? And how do I know? Well, I'm going to need to use pictures, numbers, or words to show how I got the answer. When I do this, it's like acting out the problem in my head. I want to show my solution on a piece of paper so that whoever is looking at it can understand what my answer is. Okay, so let's listen to the problem again. And I want you to get out a sheet of paper and I want you to draw the solution to the problem. So I was having a party. I put 4 chairs at the table. So what do you think you're going to draw for that? That's right, I draw a table. And how many chairs would I draw? Yeah, I would draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's my table and there are my chairs. Now it says that I was going to have 7 friends come to the party, and I want to know if I have enough chairs. Well, how can I figure that out? Well, I could pretend that I kept having people come to the party and sit in chairs, can't I? So look, here's one of my friends coming to the party. Here's another friend coming to the party. There's another friend coming to the party. And there's one more friend coming to the party. How many friends are at the party now? 1, 2, 3, 4. But how many friends did I say were coming to the party? Oh, that's right. I said 7. So 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, some of my friends do not have a chair. These guys right here. So do I have enough chairs at my party? No. How do I know that? Well, I know that because I drew my picture and only 4 friends had a chair. Only 4 friends had a chair. How many friends did not have a chair? Ooh, let's look. 1, 2, 3. 3 friends did not have a chair. So this is an example of what your solution could look like. So we had 7 friends coming to the party, and we had 4 chairs, and we wanted to know if we had enough. So did we have enough? No. N-O. So we're going to do a similar problem, and I want you to try to do it with your grown-up, and I'm not going to tell you the answer, so I'm going to do a very similar problem. I'm just going to change the numbers, okay? So listen carefully. I am having a party, and I have 5 chairs at the table. How many? 5. The doorbell rang, and I saw 5 of my friends at the door. Do I have enough chairs for all my friends? And how do you know? So listen one more time. I was having a party, and I had 5 chairs at the table. 5 of my friends are coming to the party. Do I have enough chairs? And how do I know? So draw Miss Beck a picture and explain to your grown-up how you know the answer. Thank you for coming by, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.